option. There's the bell. Zombie King in the ring with Damian Adams. Once again, I am the Ace Dante Jayce along with Vinnie Bababoom, and we're here in Taino Towers for Lucha Libre Super Show. Another super match on this stacked card here tonight. And they lock up Junior Flow and Damian Adams. Damian Adams is getting his arm worked on right now. Into the hammerlock, Junior Flow in control right now. Damian Adams was telling me earlier on that he runs Team Adams Pro Wrestling Academy in Hackettstown, New Jersey, and he's also an OVW alumni with a back elbow right there. So Damian Adams is a very experienced individual, 16 years in that ring, Vinnie Bababoom.
You see, Dante Jayce, I am intimidated by him. I don't know why he's even in the ring with the zombie. Why would you want to degrade down to this? This is a downgrade, Ace.
Well, I don't think it's a downgrade at all. I mean, when you consider the fact that LAW and Amaro Productions have some of the best events in the world, I think it's an upgrade. Junior Flow with the cross body block right there. And Damian Adams scoots to his corner. Karen Q, his partner, puts in the tag. That means Zombie King's going to have to tag Deonna. Because I want to remind the fans, I want to remind everybody that in a mixed tag team match, it's man versus man, female versus female. Zombie King does not want to go against Karen Q. I believe he'd be disqualified.
Well, Dante is a real man will defend himself. And you can tell he's a zombie. He's not defending himself even against a woman. Oh, wow. What a disrespect.
Well, regardless, the fans get what they want, and Deonna Purrazzo in the ring right now against Karen Q. And notice how quickly Karen Q backs off.
She's not backing off. She's just saving her energy, Ace.
Saving her energy? Well, she hasn't even done one maneuver in that ring right now. How could she be so tired?
Because Damian's, I don't know, she's not tired.
Are you alluding to their bedroom shenanigans?
Well, I didn't even know about that, Ace, but, that's whatever they like.
Well, Vinny, right now, regardless of any of that, Karen Q working over Deonna Purrazzo with a headlock, side headlock applied. Deonna out of it, wrenching the arm, and turns it into a hammerlock. Deonna is a very skilled technical wrestler. You see, Vinny, somebody like her, I actually spoke to her earlier, as you saw, fans, and she was actually in NXT, TNA, and ROH all in the same month, the first woman to have ever accomplished that feat. So she's been all around, she's very experienced as well, and right now she is in control of Karen Q.
Well, Ace, big deal. Oh. He's in the ring. She's in the ring with Karen and Damian. These guys, come on, these guys been around.
Well, a great show of technical wrestling right now. Deonna and Karen telling Zombie King to shut his mouth. Look at this. Again, showing that technical skill is Deonna Purrazzo. You know, all of these competitors have trained at Damian Adams Academy, so he knows them all quite well.
She dealt with this swag.
Zombie King just ripping the tag rope right off the turnbuckle. He can't wait to get back in there, but right now we've got the two females going at it off the ropes, and takes her down with a shoulder tackle. Does Karen Q up and over, and a hip toss sends Karen down. A second hip toss, and there's another one. Zombie King back in the ring, but well, Zombie King and Deonna Purrazzo in firm control right now. Oh, look at this. Up and over. corkscrew. Zombie King taking out his opponent. Meanwhile, Deonna taking out Karen Q. Zombie King and Deonna Purrazzo in control right now. These fans here at Taino Towers love this.
Yeah, because they're crazy. They love a zombie. And this, wow, big deal. ROH, NXT.
Karen Q putting the boots to Deonna Purrazzo right now. And now just raining down fists right on her head. Vinnie, you've got to be loving this. I know where your tastes lie.
Hey, so I'm savoring every moment. Every moment. Yeah.
And I might add, illegal move, choking away on the top rope. You know, these two ladies are actually booked for NXT, SummerSlam, and the upcoming, choking away once again, the upcoming Raw and SmackDown. So they're everywhere. I mean, we're very happy to have them here in LAW. And Deonna Purrazzo in a lot of pain right now, just being worn down with illegal chokes. Neckbreaker there. And Karen Q has seemed to put out Deonna's fire right now. Cover, only a 2 count though. Rear chin lock applied. Wrenching away and wearing her down is Karen Q.
See, Ace, we're in a hardcore match. Look, we're not soft. We're here in Spanish Harlem. We're in the school of the hard knocks. It's not a safety zone.
It's not safe at all, Vinnie. And Karen Q, again, with the cover. Only two. Deonna kicking out once again. You know, she's really got to make that tag to the Zombie King. In the corner, just stomping away at her, and again choking away. Come on, ref.
There's nothing wrong with that.
Nothing wrong. It's illegal, Vinnie.
She's just showing them who's the boss. Look, wow.
Beautiful cartwheel. Turns it into the back elbow.
They're jealous.
Trying to win the fans over here. Hooks the leg. 2. Again, only 2. I don't think these fans appreciate the efforts of Karen Q, but you gotta admit, she's a great athlete.
She is. Very agile, too.
Oh, she just rammed her shoulder into that steel ring post. This could give Deonna the chance she needs to make that tag.
No.
Zombie King can't wait to get in that ring. Look at his hand outstretched. Wanting to make that tag. Karen Q crawling over as well. Which one will tag their partner first? And it's Karen Q. Damian Adams is in, and the Zombie King is in as well. Series of cross chops. Knocks Adams down twice. Reverse the Irish whip. Goes under, and a mule kick to the midsection. Off the rope. Zombie King with a flipping neck breaker. Zombie King on fire right now. The flipping dead. The Zombie King with the flipping dead. He goes for the cover. 1, 2, Karen Q just attacked her own partner by mistake, dropping the elbow on him. And a jawbreaker on both sides. Up and over goes the Zombie King. Same goes for the Deonna.
See, Dante, Jayce, this is what's wrong with our society. Human beings.
Sunset flip on both ends. 2 and 3. That's it. That's it. Zombie King and Deonna Purrazzo. Here are your winners, the Zombie King and Deonna Purrazzo. Zombie King and Deonna Purrazzo get the win here in Taino Towers tonight. Very hard-fought victory. And the other story of this match, Damian Adams arguing and yelling at Karen Q, blaming her for the loss, I should say.